Let me read the first question. In Islam, can you smoke shisha? Definitely, if you are asking my personal questions, I can say that this shisha will harm your health. It's not benefit. There's no benefit in that. There's no health benefit. There's no physical benefit or spiritual benefit in that. Instead, it is a waste of money, which is haram. Quran says in the Surah Isra that those who are wasting their money for haram, this is they are friends of and the brothers of shaitan. Innal mubazzirina kanu ikhwana shayateen. Allah has said that those who are extravagant, which they are wasting money for no good, they are the brothers of shaitan. So this is one point. Second thing, shisha is, according to many medical friends of mine, which I have spoken to them, they have confirmed that shisha is more dangerous than smoking. And I don't know why the government has not realized that and the government has given the permission for that. And people, they say there's no harm in that, but there is. So according to my understanding, my research and discussion with the other scholars and the doctors, it is haram.